everyone, we are going to be making our very own The Very Hungry Caterpillar life cycle. So what you need is your life cycle cards. There's 5 of them from The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and your orange paper. We will also need scissors, glue, and something to write with. So what we are going to do is make our life cycle like we did with our ladybugs this week. The first thing we are going to do, we're going to cut all of these out. This might take a minute, so take your time. If I cut faster than you do, don't worry about it. You pause yours and take your time, because guess what? I've been cutting a lot, so I'm pretty fast at cutting. But even when I'm fast, I have my thumb up and I'm holding onto my paper. I'm looking at my lines. So you take your time and you're going to cut out all of these. So right now I am cutting out the caterpillar one. And then I'm cutting around the edges. I like to do that when I cut. But you can do one at a time or cut them apart and cut them out one at a time. That works too. So we'll take just a minute to cut these out together. Again, you go ahead and pause if you need to. I have a few lines left to do. Next, I'll have my butterfly and my chrysalis. In the book, they say cocoon, but a butterfly uses a chrysalis. It makes a chrysalis. A caterpillar that turns into a butterfly makes a chrysalis. And a caterpillar that turns into a moth makes a cocoon. So that's why it's a little different. Okay, when you have everything cut out, the first thing we are going to do, we're going to look at these cards and find the ones with the caterpillars. Okay, we want the one that has the words at the top that says the hungry caterpillar. This one is going to go right in the middle of our paper, okay? So I'm going to put some glue on it. I don't want the one that just says caterpillar with the words at the bottom. I want the words at the top, and I'm going to do my best to put it right in the middle. Okay. There we go. And if these overlap a little bit, that's okay. Don't worry about it. And the first thing we're going to do is look for the egg. We're going to find the egg, and we're going to put that at the top. Now, if you look, mine kind of overlaps a little. That's okay. We're going to do it anyway. It's all right. You could kind of go to the side if you wanted to, or just put it at the top. Either way is fine. It's okay. You can even have it hang over your paper a little bit at the top. That doesn't hurt anything. You can have it like this. That works too. Next, we're going to, well, we'll glue first. How about we glue? The next one, after the egg, what was he? He was a caterpillar. So we're going to glue that on the side. Let me show you. We're going to glue that right over here and glue our caterpillar. All right, so you go ahead and do that. And then after the caterpillar, it was a chrysalis. So it was an egg, a caterpillar, and then the chrysalis will go right at the bottom. And again, I'm going to hang mine over a little bit. That's okay. And then the last spot it goes is our beautiful butterfly. So right there's our butterfly. Now this, so we know it's a cycle, we're going to add some arrows. So we are going to start at the top and kind of draw a curved line with an arrow like that. I'm going to make it a little darker. It's hard to do in the air, because it goes from an egg to a caterpillar. Now we'll do the same thing, because it goes from a caterpillar into a chrysalis. And then the chrysalis into the butterfly. And then the butterfly will lay an egg. So that is our Very Hungry Caterpillar life cycle. You did a great job with that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.